Joy to the world. Jeremiah was a good friend of mine.
What a great song.
A great one. Look, Madonna, welcome. This is Madonna, guys. She's from Natural Therapies, in case you don't know.
If you've been under a rock for 10 years.
Yeah. Natural therapy, rock in the garden, smelling all the lavender.
Oh, my goodness. Did you see the mattress that has a layer of herbs in it? How cool is that?
That would be really good.
I'm liking that idea once my mattress dies. I'm not getting one yet.
My mattress died years ago. I bought a mattress. I spent the big dollars about 5 years ago on a mattress, and they swore black and blue that we weren't going to get the indentation as you do with most mattresses.
Yeah.
It cost me, and I'm kidding you, not a lie here.
Yeah.
It was like $3,500 mattress. Some posturepedic.
Yes.
Gonna improve your health, whatever. And then now we've got the indentation.
Banana bed.
Yeah, and then I said, well, we've got insurance now. It's under warranty, lifetime warranty. Oh no, we don't cover that.
Yeah.
Oh, nasty. But anyway. We have been talking about your sleep patterns and what you can do to improve them, and we were talking a little bit last week. So, as an overall, everything affects our sleep. Everything. If we are such fragile, emotional little bunnies.
Yeah. So obviously, Ken deals with the actual sleeping device and that sort of thing. So what I tend to deal with is the side effects of it.
Yeah.
So people who don't sleep well, who then run on adrenaline through the day, they activate survival patterns. It messes with it. He's absolutely right. It messes with everything. If you do not get a good night's sleep and you wake up tired, what does your body have to do to pick you up? So either it's the 3 cups of coffee and sugar for breakfast, or it's having to run on adrenaline and having no choice. And then as soon as we start running on adrenaline all day, every day, there's other organs that shut down. So adrenaline is designed to fight the tiger or run from the bear. That's why we have adrenaline in our system. It's not designed for not getting a good night's sleep.
No.
10,000 years ago, the sun went down, you went to bed, your sun came up, you woke up again. Unless you have 12 kids,
I just had the impression of the Neanderthal in my head. But you're right.
We weren't designed to be staying up till midnight, 1, 2 o'clock in the morning. We weren't designed to be not sleeping a good 6, 8, 10 hours a night. Who knows what we would do if we actually allowed our bodies to do it? Who knows? It would be an interesting experiment.
I was going to say, that's a good study experiment right there.
Yeah.
Interesting.
Because my stepdad, he worked for the city council for 40 years. So, of course, he was up at 4:30 for the last 35 years of his life until he retired 15 years ago. And, he could not wake up after 4:30, so Mum had to get those total black curtains in the room, and bit by bit it started to change. Blackout curtains, got to do it. It's part of the whole sleep hygiene.
And sometimes you do, because as soon as the sun reflects your eyes and your eyelids, your brain is already stimulated.
Yep.
Oh, it's time to get up.
There goes your serotonin, off for the day. Exactly.
You'll be off somewhere off this planet anyway. But speaking of which, here's Duran Duran with Planet Earth on Bay FM 100.3.